Hi friends, welcome to yet another video. In this video we are going to unbox Samsung S20 FE 5G. I ordered this phone from the Samsung official site. So if you are going to order from the Samsung official site, this is how the packing going to be look. Without wasting time, let me open the courier pack and see how the packaging done by the Samsung. Here if you can see, this is how they done the packaging. Okay, here is the original pack of the phone. This is the whole bill of the phone. Price here mentioned as 42,000. As I told, the phone cost me around 42,000. But if I talk about the MRP price of the phone, on the box if you can see, the MRP of the phone is written as 75,000 actually, which is 74,999. Actual MRP price of the phone is 75,000. This is how the box pack of the phone looks. It's in clean white color. Here on the top you get the S20 written, and here the S20 FE 5G, and on the side Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. Nice touch here given here. If you able to see, here some designs were made, and here it is written to use the Indian SIM card only. If I go to this side, I have the 8GB RAM with 120GB ROM. So here the model number. If I go here the price as I mentioned before, and what you get inside, it tells that the import month it tells as April 21. So without wasting time, let's open the box. On opening the box, first you got the phone itself. You can see I ordered the cloud mint color. So how this is going to be look. Let me keep this phone aside and see what else we get inside the box. So here you get the SIM ejector, the warranty card you get inside the box. Here other some guide, so quick start guide, regional lock guide. If I open this one, here you get the charger. It tells it's a adaptive fast charger, and the output of this one is 9 volt 1.67 ampere. Can deliver max 15 watt charger you get inside the box. So this is not going to be a fast charger. Getting the fast charger which phone supports, which is Samsung supercharger, you have to buy another adapter. Here you can see this is the super fast charger, comes from the Samsung. The output of this one is 25 watt charger. So this one is the 25 watt charger, and by default you get the 15 watt charger inside the box, but the phone supports 25 watt charging. Moving forward, this is the cable that you got, which is type C cable, and here the normal USB 2.0 type cable. You have to connect to adapter like this. We are good to charge our phone. Thank you to Samsung for giving the charger inside the box. Let me keep all the things aside and directly go to the phone itself. Let's take a physical overview of this phone. On the front you get a Super AMOLED screen which is of 6 inch. Here I turned on the phone. Here it comes with Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G and secured by Knox, powered by Android. Here you got the 32MP front facing camera. On the back you get 12 megapixel 2 camera and 8 megapixel telephoto camera. So main camera will be 12 megapixel and a wide angle camera of 12 megapixel, a 8 megapixel telephoto camera which supports 3x zoom. On the right side you got the power off and on button with volume increase and decrease button. Nothing on this side, it's clear. On the top you get the SIM slot and with a noise cancellation mic. Let me open the SIM slot and see what type of SIM slot it is. Here if you can see, it is a hybrid type SIM slot. SIM 2 you can use, or you can use a memory card. And on the back you get the SIM 1 to use a nano SIM card here. This is how the phone looks. On the bottom again you got the mic here and the USB type C charging port, and here the loudspeaker. This phone supports stereo type speaker. Phone got booted up. The screen looks amazing. Screen quality also good. The phone comes preloaded with some applications like Facebook, Netflix, and some applications from Samsung and Microsoft also. Let me check the version of the Android you get inside this phone. If you go to the about section of the phone, it comes with One UI 3.0 and it runs on Android version 11. And it have a security patch of September 1, 2020. If I go to the display section, here you get the motion smoothness. Now right now it is running on high 120 Hz display. It also looks good. The smooth is also good here in the phone. Let me quickly open a YouTube video. Check the sound of this phone. Speaker of the phone is also good. It comes with a stereo speaker and the speaker loudness and the clarity also good here, and it comes with Dolby Atmos. So here you can see it comes with Dolby Atmos sounds, and this phone also supports wireless charging. So have the reverse wireless charging, so you can charge your earbuds, the watches also. That's all in this unboxing video of the Galaxy S20 FE 5G. Soon we are going to make more videos on this phone. Be on our channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.